USB debugging is a hidden developer feature that allows an Android device to communicate with the Android software developer kit over a USB connection. When app developers develop Android apps, they typically install the Android SDK on their computer. An SDK gives them the tools they need to create apps for a certain platform. Enabling USB debugging also comes in handy for developers to streamline the processes of moving files between devices, running commands, and performing relevant tasks when developing and debugging Android apps. So in this video, we will show you how to enable USB debugging on your Galaxy S21. To begin, pull up the app drawer and tap on Settings. While you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom part to find the Developer options. If you don't see Developer options, then you will need to enable it first. Refer to our previous video on how to enable it. Assuming Developer options is already enabled, tap on it. Scroll down to the Debugging section and then toggle the USB debugging switch to turn it on. If prompted, read and review the warning message and then tap OK to confirm. At this point, your phone is already set for file transfers via USB connection. To see if it works, try to connect your Galaxy S21 to a computer using a compatible USB cable. And that's pretty much it. We hope this tutorial can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We need your support so that we can continue publishing helpful contents in the future. Thanks for watching.